Hello, ninth and 10th grade parents and students of English. So, I'm Mr. Stubbe. Some of you, many of you, around half of you, know me pretty well. So I'm going to just say that if you were in 8th grade last year, so you're in 9th grader now, some of this information will be redundant. But for the 10th graders, and for the 10th grade parents, and for the 9th graders, because we need to hear, I've got some things to say to welcome you to my virtual classroom, or since I can't do the open house in person. So, anyway, a little bit about me. This is my second year here at North White School District. I was in the middle school last year teaching 8th grade, and this year I'll be doing 9th and 10th grade, which you already know. I moved from Minnesota, so that's why my accent is a little bit weird. And besides that, this is going to be my 5th year of teaching. So moving into the tough stuff, I realized that this year is going to be, especially the start of it, this year is going to be difficult because there are going to be obviously some obstacles related to COVID and anything else. I just want everyone to know that I will do my best to help out the school and help out my students and make everyone successful despite the various things that we're going to have to do differently. Moving on from that, I'm sure that the 9th graders, I want to call them 8th graders, but 9th graders would attest. I like having fun. I'm not always fun because sometimes we need to read and reading is not always fun. But I think for the 10th graders and, as you know, 9th graders, I like to have fun in the classroom. I like to joke around. And that's one of my main things that I like doing. So I hope that you guys are just as excited about this year as I am. Moving away from that, as per discipline and grades, the discipline is going to be exactly the same as the school matrix that's on page 25 of the handbook. So if you are disrespectful to me once, then there's a warning, I think, and then after second and third time it goes on and so forth. So I'm just going to follow the school plan to keep it simple. As far as grades, just like the handbook says, you have one. This is going to be different for the 8th graders or 9th graders, because in middle school I had it a little bit different. For high school, the handbook says that you have 1 week to make up missing assignments. That's from the due date. And of course, that can be changed and talked about if the student comes to me or the parent contacts me, or if someone was sick or gone. We can obviously talk about it, but 1 week to make it up. That being said, I like when people grow and get better. The point of me and my teaching is not to say, hey, you didn't do this correctly, but you can't redo it. So revisions are possible for basically everything every time. So if you hand in a worksheet and you got a 5 out of 10 and you want to make it a 10 out of 10 or an 8 out of 10, yes, I will tell you what you need to do and help you achieve and get to that 10 out of 10. That goes the same for essays if you got a 70 out of 100, and so on and so forth. Because revision and changing is something that's really, really crucial to learning, but even more so to English. The only exception to that is finals, because I'm not going to give you infinite chances to take a test over and over where I have to rewrite the test every single time just so that you can hope at getting a higher score. Maybe I do one. I don't know. So, moving on from that sad stuff or the more logistical stuff, discipline and grades, I just wanted to say, moving into this year, my focus is going to really be, and seeing what my experience with North White last year, is really putting quality and effort into the assignments, getting quality and effort from my students, and not just handing in something. So, for example, if we're talking about putting in quotes, and the skills or the standard, or the skill or the standard is directly related to putting in quotes, I'm not going to accept it without a quote. But I will help you get there. So I just want to raise the bar of quality that we expect here at North White. So that's all I have. I'm really excited about the school year. I'm really excited about seeing everyone again. I'm excited about meeting the 10th graders. Um, so yeah, if you need to contact me before school starts, or just to remember this, parents, for the future, my email is mstubbe@northwhite.k12.in.us. And once again, that's mstubbe@northwhite.k12.in.us. And the phone number that you can contact me at is 765-357-6968. That's 765-357-6968. It does awkwardly ask you to identify who you are when you call, trying to be weirded out. That is all. And like I said, I can't wait to see everyone. Adios.